10. Surprising ways to build wealth in today's economy. Welcome back, moneymakers. Want to know some cool secrets to make more money? Whether you're a money expert or just starting, we've got your back. Say goodbye to the usual money tips. We're here to share 10 surprising tricks that can make your wallet happy. Forget about the boring stuff. Let's dive into a world where making money is exciting and fun. 1. Invest in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has evolved from a niche interest to a global phenomenon. Exploring opportunities in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins can be a game changer. While it comes with risks, the potential for substantial returns has attracted many investors looking to capitalize on the digital revolution. Research and understand the market dynamics, adopt a diversified portfolio approach, and consider long-term holding strategies to maximize gains. 2. Embrace the gig economy. The gig economy has exploded in recent years, providing countless opportunities for individuals to supplement their income. Whether you have a skill in graphic design, writing, or coding, platforms like Fiverr and Upwork offer a chance to turn your talents into a lucrative side hustle. Building a strong online presence, delivering quality work, and strategically pricing your services can help you stand out in this competitive landscape. 3. Real estate crowdfunding. Traditionally, real estate investment required substantial capital, but not anymore. Real estate crowdfunding platforms allow you to invest in properties with smaller amounts of money, providing a share of the profits. This democratization of real estate opens new doors for wealth accumulation. Conduct thorough due diligence on platforms and projects, diversify your real estate portfolio, and monitor market trends to make informed investment decisions. Consider the geographical location and type of properties within your portfolio to manage risk effectively. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. Cut out the middleman and become the bank yourself. Platforms like Prosper and Lending Club allow you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses. With proper risk management, peer-to-peer lending can generate attractive returns compared to traditional savings accounts. Evaluate borrower profiles, diversify your lending portfolio, and stay updated on platform regulations to mitigate risks and optimize returns. Regularly review and adjust your lending strategy based on changing economic conditions and borrower performance. 5. Start a niche blog or YouTube channel. Turn your passion into profit by starting a niche blog or YouTube channel. Whether it's travel, technology, or personal development, creating valuable content can attract a substantial audience. With monetization options like ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, you can turn your hobby into a lucrative business. Focus on consistent content creation, engage with your audience, and explore multiple revenue streams to maximize your online presence's financial potential. Invest in quality equipment and editing software to enhance the production value of your content. 6. Automated investing with robo-advisors. Embrace the power of technology with robo-advisors that automatically manage your investment portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. These platforms make investing accessible to everyone, even if you don't have extensive knowledge of the stock market. Research and compare different robo-advisors, customize your investment strategy, and regularly review your portfolio to align with changing financial goals and market conditions. Utilize tools provided by robo-advisors to track your progress and make informed decisions. 7. Build an online course. Share your expertise by creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable provide a global audience for your knowledge. Whether you're a language expert, coding guru, or fitness instructor, creating valuable content can generate passive income over time. Focus on high-quality content, engage with your students, and utilize marketing strategies to increase course visibility and profitability. Continuously update your course content to stay relevant and encourage repeat business and positive reviews. Consider offering premium coaching or consulting services to provide additional value to your students and increase your revenue. 8. Collectibles and alternative investments. Explore unconventional investments like rare collectibles, vintage items, or even fine art. The value of these assets can appreciate over time, providing a unique avenue for wealth accumulation outside traditional financial instruments. Research market trends, seek expert advice, and carefully curate your collection to ensure its long-term value and potential for appreciation. Consider factors such as rarity, condition, and historical significance when investing in collectibles. 9. Take advantage of employee stock purchase plans, ESPPs. If your employer offers an ESPP, take advantage of it. ESPPs allow employees to purchase company stock at a discounted rate, providing an opportunity for capital appreciation. This employee benefit can be a hidden gem for building wealth over the long term. Understand the terms and conditions of your ESPP, consider the tax implications, and strategically leverage this benefit to enhance your overall financial portfolio. Regularly review your investment in company stock and diversify your portfolio to manage risk. Stay informed about your company's financial health and prospects to make informed decisions regarding your ESPP participation. Explore options trading and covered calls to enhance your strategy. Stay engaged with company news and developments to make timely decisions regarding your stock holdings. 10. Master the art of negotiation. Negotiation skills are often underestimated, yet they can significantly impact your financial standing. Whether you're negotiating a salary, business deal, or major purchase, honing your negotiation skills can lead to better financial outcomes and increased wealth. Invest time in learning effective negotiation techniques, practice in various scenarios, and approach negotiations with confidence and preparation to secure favorable terms. Negotiate not only for monetary gains, but also for valuable perks and opportunities that can contribute to long-term financial success. Continuously refine your negotiation skills by seeking feedback and staying updated on negotiation trends and strategies. Actively seek opportunities to negotiate in various aspects of your life, from everyday purchases to major financial transactions. Conclusion: in a changing economy, old ways of getting rich might not work as well. But if you try out new and surprising ideas, you can find new paths to success. Whether it's investing in digital money or starting a special blog, there are lots of ways to make money that fit different interests and skills. Remember to keep learning, be flexible, and try things you might not expect. Thanks for being part of this learning adventure. If you like these tips, give us a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for more money advice. Here's to you getting richer.